Hi, my name is Denmark Salvador. I'm originally from the Philippines and now based in Auckland, New Zealand. I'm fully registered New Zealand electrician with a current practicing license valid until 2026. I hold a degree in electrical engineering as well as vocational training in electromechanics. Over the years, I built strong experience in installation, testing, and maintenance. And I also have a solid foundation in solar PV and battery systems, an area I'm very eager to develop further. For the past 2 years, I've been working with Stella Recruitment on the City Rail Link OTS station, a project in New Auckland. My role has involved power and lighting installation, control system, switchboards, and ELV system, such as CCTV and PA. Prior to that, I spent around 8 years with Kajima Philippines, where I managed temporary power projects, site installation, and maintenance activities. Across these roles, my focus has been on electrical installation, testing, termination, and ensuring compliance with the strict safety standard. My electrical background provides strong transferable skills for solar, including wiring, termination, testing, and fault finding. I have also have experience with UPS and battery systems, and I'm confident in working with AC DC wiring, isolation, and also earthing. While my direct hands-on experience with solar installation is limited, I'm committed to upskill, including completing a solar installation course here in New Zealand. With my strong electrical foundation, a safety-first approach, and ability to learn quickly, I'm confident I can contribute effectively in solar PV and battery projects. I'm very interested in relocating to Australia because it's a leader in renewable energy, particularly solar PV and battery storage. This presence present an excellent opportunity to advance my career by working on larger scale projects while also offering a good lifestyle and long-term opportunities for my family.